So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. We're going to be having two downloads right here, x86 and x64. You want to download both of these. So you're just going to click on both of these. Then they're both going to start downloading. And once they've both been downloaded, we're now going to right click on one of them, and then click on show in folder. And they're both now going to appear in our downloads folder. So we're just going to download both of them. I'm just going to start with the first one, x64. You're going to double click on it, and now this will come up. You're going to click on I agree, you're going to tick this box, and then click on install. And then click on yes, wait for this to load, and then once it says setup successful, we're now going to close out of this. And now we're going to double click on the second one. Now once this comes up, you're going to tick this box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes, wait for this to load, and then once that's been done, you're now going to close out of this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator, and then click on yes, and then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc space /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.